All right, so you're looking to make $200 to $300 per day as an affiliate in your spare time, but you don't know where to start and you're a complete beginner. In today's video, I'm going to share with you one of the strategies that my team and I used in the past to make more than $200,000 in affiliate commissions. Now, the beauty about this strategy is that it is still kind of underground and it's very easy to set up. You don't have to have any prior experience or any technical knowledge, and it does not require ClickBank. That's the beauty of it. You don't have to use ClickBank. In fact, I'm using different affiliate networks, which I'm going to show you in just a second. And something else, by the end of this video, you're going to see a completely revolutionized method that probably would not see anywhere else on YouTube or on the internet. It's a hidden opportunity, and if you act fast, if you act now, you could be making $100, $200, even $300 per day in affiliate commissions utilizing this method. Without further ado, let's jump onto my computer so we can start setting up everything and I can show you what we've done so you can replicate it. So I want to show you something. This is one of my past videos where I show my dashboard here, and as you can see, we've made more than $250,000. Now I want to be crystal clear with you and very transparent. This is not purely profit. This is revenue, because we were spending money on ads. Basically, we were paying Pinterest because we were using Pinterest traffic and Facebook traffic to bring us these conversions. So this is around 40-50% profit, or sometimes in some instances 60% profit. Now that out of the way, how did we make this kind of money? Well, I told you we didn't use ClickBank. I love ClickBank. I've been using ClickBank for many years, but I like to diversify my portfolio of offers. So in this instance that I show you, we didn't use ClickBank. We used something called CPA Affiliate Offers. These CPA Affiliate Offers can be found on a website called offervote.com. So what is a CPA Affiliate Offer, or also called partners marketing? Most of the offers are actually physical products such as phones, chairs, tables, gadgets, tools, etc. But the difference between ClickBank and CPA Offers, which is a very big difference, is that CPA Offers will pay you per action, meaning if someone buys the product, the vendor or the manufacturer will pay you a straight fee, and even the customer decides that they don't like the product and they want a refund, not getting affected by refunds because it's cost per action. You're getting paid once and no refunds affects you. Whereas with ClickBank, if people decide to refund, ClickBank will withdraw the money from your account and refund them. In OfferVote, what we can do here, we can go to categories. We go and we just type CPA. Boom. And we hit enter. Now we can see all of these CPA offers and we can see the payout. So some of them pay $200, $60, $8, $125, $140, etc. How do we promote these offers? That's the question probably you're asking right now. Well, as an affiliate, your job is simple. Driving traffic from one place to another place, and usually the other place is your landing page or a website. So what we've done is we've combined all of these products into one simple landing page that is similar to Facebook and Twitter. And you're probably wondering, what is that right now? Well, fair question. Let me show you. This is the landing page, and why I said it's similar to Facebook and Twitter, because we call this kind of a shopping mall. We have 7 insanely cool summer gift ideas that anyone will love. And when you scroll down, you start seeing these gadgets or CPA offers. These are physical products. Number 7, number 6, number 5, number 4. And basically, you scroll as Facebook native or Twitter. You see, this is how we make people engaged with our landing page, making them wonder, what are these 7 insanely cool summer gift ideas? Each of these products is actually an affiliate offer from an affiliate network. Now, this is not my own landing page. Probably this is one of my students because the design is totally mine, or someone stole this design from me, but I guess it's some of my students because I only teach this in my private trainings, how to create this design, but I'm now showing it to you so you can see how it's made. Basically, we use drag and drop builder to create this landing page called Clickera.com. This is a free website builder. Of course, I'm using the paid version because it gives me more features and more flexibility, but you can set up just a completely free version and create absolutely the same website with the same look, with just dragging and dropping elements, and you don't need to be a developer and you don't need to have any technical skills. So basically, we have the product name, then we have picture or an image of a product, of this product, and then we have a little description of what this product does and how it helps you. Now, for example, let's go to the photo stick mobile. This is a device that backs up your iPhone or Android phone. When you run out of memory, we have a little description, and when you click this link or the button, check out photo stick mobile, you're redirected to a sales page where you can click order the photo stick right now. So once people buy this product, you're gonna get paid. In our case, we were getting paid, I believe, $55 per sale. But guess what? Because we have many products on this landing page, a person can buy the photo stick, but they can also buy a Visor, or they can buy AccuLeaf. So we're actually increasing our average order value, or AOV, by posting many products on one landing page, which is kind of engaging. We have GIF images here, and I'm going to show you how we source these GIF images, we source these images, and how we find them. But the idea here is that we are trying to increase our average order value. So now, how did we drive traffic to this landing page? We drove it basically with Pinterest. Pinterest is a social network or discovery network such as Twitter, Facebook, etc., which has hundreds of millions of users. So this is Pinterest.com, and if I click my extension here called SimilarWeb, this is a web device, a web tool that gives you statistics about a certain website. So what we can see here that Pinterest was getting and is getting 1 billion monthly visits, which is pretty good amount of traffic for us. So what we've done and what we did is, let me show you here on this. Oops, let's close that. So we've created an account and we started posting, and my students actually started posting pins, so-called pins in Pinterest. And I'm going to show you a pin example like this one. So this is the pin example, 7 insanely cool products for 2020. This is an old pin, obviously, because I told you this is an old way of promoting it. But stay tuned, because like I told you in the beginning of this video, I'm going to show you an absolutely groundbreaking and new way of promoting these products that no one is using. So the potential and opportunities are huge. So here is the pin. When you click it, when you're in Pinterest, you click this pin, you click it one more time right here. Guess what? You're redirected to this sales page, or this affiliate listicle sales page. Yes, this landing page or website is called listicle because we list different affiliate offers. Before I continue, let's recap everything, and I would ask you, if you like the information so far in this video, I would really appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you want to learn more tricks and tips about marketing, affiliate marketing, and business. Now, what we've done so far. First, we found offervault.com, and we found many different CPA products here that we can list on our listicle. Secondly, we have a niche. I forgot to tell you about the niche, which is insanely cool summer gift ideas. People will always want to buy gifts because gifts are like ever trendy thing. It's an evergreen thing. So gift ideas are always cool. And if gift ideas, people will be always looking for gift ideas for boyfriends, gift ideas for girlfriends, gift ideas for birthday parties, etc., etc. So we first have unique products, unique gadgets. Then we have unique landing page. This one is very unique landing page. Thirdly, we have a unique niche, the gift niche. And finally, I showed you the traffic source, Pinterest. But I'm going to show you a better traffic source, because this is, like I told you in the beginning of this video, this is in the past. I mean, you still can make money on Pinterest, but I have an easier way that is underground, which is YouTube traffic. So if I go on YouTube and we can see videos related to these type of gift ideas, and don't worry, you don't have to create the videos yourself. I'm going to show you a place where they're already created. So let me play this video. This video is called Best 10 Gift Ideas Under $25. And this video has 200,000 views. So if I play it, let me reduce the volume. Okay, this is a person holding it. So he or she, I believe this is a guy, he just ordered these products, and this is what I've done in the past. I've ordered the products from these affiliate networks, and I recorded the videos myself without showing my face. I was basically holding my iPhone, and I was recording the videos like this gentleman. I was just playing with the products without showing my face, okay? So as we can see, this gentleman is doing the same, some ads. And when we scroll down here in the description, we can see all of these affiliate links. Some of them are to Amazon, some of them, I think most of them are to Amazon. Let's click this one, bit.ly link. Let's see where it redirects. Our idea is to create similar video. Yes, this is Amazon. But instead of putting so many links, we put just one link to this listicle landing page. So people, instead of distracting them with so many links here, so people don't know which one to click, we list all of these affiliate links in this landing page under each of these products, which is very nice to the eye and very pleasant, and it's in order. Now, if you don't want to record the videos yourself, that's fine. I'm going to show you another type of video. So this one, 20 best birthday gifts for girls. It has 300,000 views, and it's basically presentation of the products. So let's play it. I'm going to show you how it's done. So this is teddy bear. As you can see, this is literally PowerPoint presentation with animation on the back. That's it. 300,000 views. There you go. Where is it? 300,000 views. Just a PowerPoint presentation with animation on the back. That's it. There you go. And pictures of the products. So, as you can see, yeah, I'm shuffling through the video, but they did not even crop the background of the image. You see, it looks ugly, but it works. Some sunglasses. Now, of course, this is not going to happen overnight. You have to create the videos, you have to start uploading them to YouTube, but eventually, if you're persistent, you're going to start seeing some results. And trust me, I'm really confident in that because I've tested this multiple times with multiple YouTube channels for different niches. And it takes some time in the beginning before you start seeing results and before you start seeing clicks. But once you see them, you're going to get so motivated and so pumped, hopefully, so you can keep pushing and keep uploading videos. And now I have another tip for you, which is my final tip, because we want to outsmart our competition. We want to outsmart other marketers. So instead of doing this kind of ugly looking PowerPoint presentation, we can create nice videos with all of these gadgets or gifts by taking videos from the affiliate networks. What I mean by that, most of the affiliate networks on OfferVault have their own creative team or marketing team, and their marketing team is actually creating videos for you, for the affiliate, for us. So let me show you here. This is GiddyUp. This is one of the affiliate networks I'm using. Now, this is referral only network, so they do not accept anyone. You have to be referred. You have to go through the application process. So it is not, they're very strict about it. But like I showed you, you can go on OfferVault and find many affiliate networks similar to GiddyUp. So what I wanted to show you here in GiddyUp, what they have is they have a place or a storage place where I can go to see each of the products or offers they have on the left side. There we go. So I'm at photo stick. Oops, this one disappeared. The photo stick mobile, as you can see, the photo stick. And if you remember, the photo stick is actually this product from, let me show you this one, the photo stick mobile from the landing page. So how do I create a YouTube video? Well, I can grab this image, use Canva or any other free software, or I can just go here to the photo stick in GiddyUp and see they have ready videos for me. This one, and let's see, it's gonna load. Yes, they're very professional videos. As you can see, looks pretty awesome and pretty legit. If I scroll up, they even have videos of ladies or your grandma, if you will, that explains about a photo stick. And they have reviews here, etc., etc. Yes, there we go, something like that. People are holding the photo stick. So pretty legit. They have many more videos. All right. So you basically can combine these videos into one YouTube video. Right now you're asking, hey Ross, but okay, you said that GiddyUp are very strict. They don't allow anyone. So how do we get our hands on the photo stick or any of these awesome products? Well, if you go to OfferVault and you type photo stick, you can find other networks. Okay, we have one network that has the photo stick. It pays you $45 straight commission. So you make a conversion, you get $45, that's it. So if I click this link on OfferVote, this is how it looks like. This is the network. This is the affiliate network, point, click, track. I can click run offer, apply to the network. And another trick here is once you find a product, you can just copy the network name, point, click, track. Okay, I just copy it. I go back to OfferVote, to the home page. And in networks, guess what? I paste this point, click, track. So OfferVote will give me all the offers from this very same network that has the photo stick. So we can see solar, vivid, mattresses, net credit, solar saving, etc. They have, look at that, they have 683 offers. Some of them might be CPA, some of them might be just regular affiliate offers, but all of these are, as you can see, from point, click, track. Oops, I clicked it unpurposely. Network, point, click, track, etc. All right, so let's recap. What I gave you right here is a system that was created by myself and my team to generate hundreds of dollars each and every day using paid traffic. Now I showed you how to use free traffic, and you can go on your own and execute and experiment. And I really hope you make some money, and comment down below this video when you make money. I'm getting really pumped and motivated when I see people making money. And like I said, this takes time, weeks, and even months to achieve the goals you're aiming for, because YouTube and Pinterest organic traffic takes time for the algorithm to start ranking you and for you to start seeing results. On the other hand, if you don't want to wait, there is a way for you to see results within just a few days, like 2-3 days. And this is paid traffic. I told you that we've been using paid traffic mostly. But if you're a newbie to paid traffic, and if you're scared to waste your money, and if you're afraid to fail and lose a lot, I have a private training. You can see it from the first link down in the description below. And I'm going to be completely transparent. It is a paid training, but I'm not forcing you to buy it. I'm just saying that this is there. And if you want to scale to the next level, if you want to see faster results, you can do that through my training. But on the other hand, if you want to do it on your own, you're completely free. I already showed you the entire framework, the entire setup. Of course, there is some technical stuff where it comes to creating the website, setting up tracking, creating your designs, creating videos, creating posts, etc. Again, it involves a lot of work, whereas if you sign up for the training, you have this for you laid out step by step. And keep in mind that in my training, you have to spend money for ads. That's another thing you have to consider. So again, I'm not forcing you. I'm just saying that this is out there and I can help you because I actually help my students. I talk with them. You can ask me questions, etc. So that's the benefit of the training. But again, no rush. I hope you make money with whatever method you go for. The only thing you have to take out of this video is take actions. Whatever you do, take actions. Go and set up a campaign right now. Go find an offer right now. Go create a landing page or a website right now. Just pause this video and just do something. Don't let it sit. Don't go to the next video. Don't go watch funny videos. Don't go watch stand-up comedy. Just work, work, work. This is how you achieve great results. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.